What's up, OneUp? Hey guys, I'm here with my friend Flo right in front of the Henri Coanda Bucharest airport. Flo doesn't really know English so well, but we will follow his progress because he's gonna become an expert after the Erasmus project that we're gonna go all the way to Poland. Are you excited, Flo? Yes! That's the spirit. I'm here also with my mom and Super Brighty. We're not gonna have problems like we had with Taro when I flew last time. Right now, I kind of became the team leader, so I'm gonna have to be a little extra responsible than usual. I'm not gonna be able to vlog that much, but trust me, it's gonna be amazing. So, follow us in Poland and we will keep you guys updated. Alright everybody, so we officially have all the team here. I don't know if Florian is waving in the same direction as us, but still, we are here finally. The Erasmus Plus project is about to start. Go Romania! Okay, as it was the last time when I flew with another company, the guys from Henri Coanda Airport were super awesome and they guided us throughout the airport. Now the situation was pretty much okay. We had a little bit of a delay because they had to double check the dog's documents and everything, but we are here all together, all four of us, going to Warsaw, Poland. Wish us good luck, OneUp. We're gonna keep you guys updated.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Okay, because the guy at the special assistance left us kind of at some seats, I thought that we were exactly at the gate. We weren't. Now we are running actually, pardon.
Stop recording video button.
We are running actually to go and reach the gate. So, wish us good luck to catch the plane. Action.
Video.
Okay, I got a little bit scared, but apparently everything is okay. We're here at the gate and they're gonna take us and safely put us inside the flight to have a safe flight to the safe Warsaw destination. Everyone is safe. I love this word. Safe! Am crezut că acesta este avionul cu care zburăm. Din fericire, nu este. Ce scrie pe coada aia? And you're late. Da? Exact cum îmi place. Haide, echipăm să facem un cadru cu voi care faceți cu mâna la avion. Okay guys, I just got on the plane. The people are extra nice here and we will be experimenting a super nice flight and I'm in the first row, guys, which feels pretty good. So we're gonna see you guys in Warsaw. Wish us a beautiful flight.
Fotela przed Państwem zawierała ważne informacje, z którymi prosimy się teraz zapoznać. Thank you for attention and thank you control. Dziękuję.
Florin, fă cu mâna. And the beautiful people that have been with us. actually they might get a storm today. Here. I really hope it's not gonna be because I heard about these swappies. And I really want to see that. Like,